Hello, everybody. Andy Tuttle here with the Tuttle Group for another market update. And I hope that I have a good story for you today because it's crazy out there, as we all know, and rates have continued to move up. We know that elephant in the room, and we know that we're in a storm, right? Of all kinds. For some of you, based on the election results, you may be in a bigger storm than others, right? The good news, though, is that it's not about what happens to us with the storm, it's how we react to it. And there's a really great story that you probably heard, but I'll tell you again because I was new to it and it made an impact on me. So in Colorado, apparently, they're buffaloes and cows. They're together. Just the weather climate has them. They're a lot of times in the same place, and we all know that storms in Colorado are unpredictable in the mountains. And cows and buffaloes are real similar in a lot of ways, but there's one big distinct difference. And when a storm comes, the cows run east. They run away from the storm, trying to get away from it in fear. The buffalo group up and they charge toward the storm, right? So a couple of lessons from that seem pretty obvious. When you run away from the storm, one, you ain't gonna escape it, right? It's still gonna hit you. And when it does, it's going to last longer. It lasts longer for the cows. If it's cold, they die in it, right? Whereas the buffalo cuts through the storm and it makes it out of the storm much quicker. So as things are going tough and there are challenges in the market, be a buffalo. Just know we're a buffalo, we're in it with you. Encourage your friends, your family, your clients to be a buffalo and charge through the storm to get out on the other side. And remember, we again are here with you, and a couple of tactical ideas, product strategies that we're coming up with to help you are that inflation buster, right? Where we can get you a rate 2% lower than the market rate for the next couple of years, and then the lock and drop program that will automatically refinance you at no cost when the rates do drop. Fannie Mae expects them to be 4.5% to 5% next year. When we look at all the technical data, the CPI report, normal inflation data, just the way they calculate that, it is going to naturally not peak. It's not going to keep going up for at least for the next few months. So all of that is good for interest rates. So hang in there. There's a video below this one that has a real detail, probably too long in detail, exactly about what's happening with the rates right now, the programs I just discussed, all of that. But I just want to leave you with, be a buffalo, don't be a cow, run towards the storm, bring your whole herd with you, and you will be out a lot sooner. And we're running with you. There's a flyer attached with the lock and drop program so you can find out more and know, look, if you got any questions, you want to run through some scenarios, we're just a phone call away if you need us. That's what we want to do. And we are excited to be a part of this journey, running through the storm together with you.